Samsung is finally back on track with the rollout of One UI 7 based on Android 15 for the Galaxy S24 series. After a brief but necessary pause due to a critical bug, the update is once again available, starting in Samsung's home market, South Korea. This time around, the firmware version is S928NKSU4BYD9, and it's expected to gradually make its way to other regions over the next few days. So what happened earlier? Well, when One UI 7 was first released, it didn't exactly go smoothly. Users of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra in Korea reported a severe issue where their lock screens became completely unusable. That's a pretty serious problem, especially for users who rely on secure lock screen methods like fingerprints or face recognition. The bug forced Samsung to pause the rollout almost immediately. Now, with the patched firmware rolling out again, we're hoping this marks the true beginning of One UI 7's stable journey. If you're getting ready to update your S24 series device for the first time, there's still a small precaution you might want to take: disable your lock screen security temporarily. It's a good idea, just in case that initial bug hasn't been fully squashed for everyone. While this new version is likely far more stable, it's better to play it safe until we're 100% certain the problem is gone across all devices and regions. Now here's the thing: while Samsung has resumed the rollout in Korea, it hasn't yet confirmed if users who previously installed the buggy version will receive this new patched firmware. It's possible those users might get a smaller patch or hotfix instead of the full update again. So if you've already updated your phone and experienced bugs, keep an eye on your notifications or manually check for updates by heading to Settings, then click Software Update. The plan from Samsung is to finish the One UI 7 rollout across key devices, like the Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Flip 6 before the end of the month. With this latest step, it looks like Samsung may just hit that target. But of course, the rollout won't happen all at once. Different regions will receive it on different timelines. So depending on where you live, you might have to wait a little longer. Interestingly, even though One UI 7 is still in the rollout phase, we're already seeing reports and rumors about One UI 8. Yep, that's right. Leaks are coming in fast about the next major update. It seems like Samsung is already moving full speed ahead. Hopefully, the launch of One UI 8 won't be as rocky as One UI 7. This whole situation is starting to feel a little like what we've seen with Apple lately. Apple Intelligence, their big AI push, has been delayed several times now, and they've even started pulling back on the marketing for some of those promised features. It's just a reminder that even the biggest tech giants can run into hiccups when trying to push major software changes. As for One UI 7 itself, users who've managed to install it successfully are saying the experience is worth the wait. Sure, a few minor glitches might still be there, but the big issues seem to be resolved. And Samsung will no doubt continue pushing out small bug fixes and security patches in the coming weeks. If you're lucky, your update will go smoothly and your phone will feel faster, smarter, and more refined with all the new enhancements in Android 15 and One UI 7. So, what should you do now? Simple. If you've got a Galaxy S24 series phone, stay ready. Your update could drop at any time. If you don't get a notification, go ahead and check manually. Once the update's installed, assuming the first reboot goes smoothly, you're likely in the clear. No major issues should follow. One UI 7 has had a bumpy start, no doubt about it. But Samsung seems to be learning from its mistakes and moving quickly to get things back on track. Whether it's improving internal testing, responding to bugs faster, or just communicating better with users, this latest rollout feels like a step in the right direction. And who knows, by the time One UI 8 comes around, maybe we'll be looking at a flawless launch from day one. For now, though, One UI 7 is finally here again, and hopefully this time it's here to stay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.